Open.
There you go, I got that side. You got that side?
You could cut fingernails?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it!
You did it? Alright.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors!
Who ring the doorbell? Somebody left a box out here. Tiger! Tiger! There's a box out here. It's a mystery box. Tiger? Tiger, mystery box. Yeah, I'll bring it in. See, Tiger? Yeah, mystery box. I wonder who dropped it off. Did you buy something online?
Yeah.
What you buy?
I don't know.
Okay, let me bring it inside and open it up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh. It's heavy. And put on the table. Okay, Tiger. I put it on the table.
What?
I put the box on the table. Come on, let's check it out.
Whoa.
Tiger, come open the box, Tiger. Hurry up.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay, Tiger, come on, sit down. Let's see what's inside the box.
Okay, let me put some Cheetos.
Oh, Cheeto! Did you order something from eBay or Amazon?
I think it's eBay.
eBay? I wonder what's in here.
Open box.
Is it heavy?
Let's see. Ow!
Heavy?
Yeah.
Let's shake it and see what's in there.
Wait,
Can you hear? Here, listen to it. What's in it?
Whoa, I can carry it.
Oh, you can carry it. Yeah, see?
Yeah, I think it's something just soft inside.
Yeah. Let's listen what's inside. Anything alive in there? Let's listen. Put your ear to the box.
I don't hear anything that's breathing.
Nothing breathing? Okay, let's open it up and see what's going on inside there. Okay, hold the box. I got a knife here. Be careful, okay? Oh, hold the box. Ready? Two hand. Okay, let's see the other side now. Flip. Okay, here you go. Hold the box, two hand. Got two hand on it? Okay. Okay, let's see. Take it. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Be careful, it might be something. Something might pop up like a clown or something. Okay, Tiger, I can't see it.
What?
I can't see it. There we go. See.
There's something that is not moving. I see purple and green.
Yeah? Let's open it slowly. See what's in.
Open sesame. It will open.
There you go. I got that side. You got that side?
You could cut fingernails.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it.
You did it? All right.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see what's inside.
Wait, it's not a clown.
Whoa! What is that?
Oh, no.
It's a happy birthday.
We got this guy.
Huh? Piggy's back?
Yeah.
I thought we left Piggy at Ryan's house.
I thought you wanted it.
Well, you have fun, Piggy? Did Piggy have fun?
No.
No, why? Did Ryan hurt you, Piggy?
Yeah, and play around with me.
Oh, no. Oh, wow. Piggy, you okay? Let's sit here. Let's sit here. Okay, what else? Tiger, what else you order?
What happened to your sunglasses? Why are you not wearing
I
them?
lost my sunglasses a long time ago.
But it's right here.
Oh, my sunglasses. You found my sunglasses. All right. Thank you.
We got this.
And a book too?
It's back.
In this bag, can you sing a song?
Okay. Okay, look it.
Uh-huh.
Like, there's stories in it. Okay, I'm reading.
You sing a song.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. 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 We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, that was nice. Awesome.
Okay.
What else is in the box? What is it? What is it? Egg? What? That's it? What's inside the egg? It's a surprise egg. What is it? It's a mystery egg. What is that?
I do not know, and it's spilling everywhere.
What? It opened up and it got a yellow egg inside. A big yellow egg.
Smell it. It smells like. It smells like.
Let me see.
It smells like Play-Doh.
It is Play-Doh.
Mystery egg.
Mystery egg. Can you open the Play-Doh? Let's see what's inside the Play-Doh.
Opening.
Yeah. Let's see.
Here's the opening spot.
You might have to Let's see. Let's see. I think you just peel it here. There we go. Let's see what's inside the egg.
Yeah.
Ew. Okay. Let's see.
I can't bite it.
What?
Mama.
Oh, what?
Hey, look, do you see this? It's just like a wheel.
That's a wheel?
I don't know what it is, so it might be a car.
What is it?
It's something.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. I see something. Wow, that's Play-Doh soft. All right.
Pull it out.
Pull it out.
See it. Oh, this plate is so big.
It's big Play-Doh. Oh! It's Mac from Car. Wow.
Car brushes?
Yeah. That's cool. It's Max. Wow, he came out from the Play-Doh. That's cool. Hi Max, how you doing? I'm doing all right. How about you? I'm doing okay. Yes, Tiger. What you do that for?
He got hair.
Why you got hair, huh? You don't got hair.
He's supposed to have hair.
He don't have to have hair.
Yeah, he does.
Wow, that's Mac from the Play-Doh. Anything else in the box? Nope. You know what? I got an idea.
He got big hair.
Oh, it's big. I got an idea, Tiger.
What?
Let's ship you in a box.
No.
Yeah. Let's try ship you in a box to Ryan's ToysReview again. It looked like Ryan sent us all this stuff. See all the stuff he sent us.
Ryan.
Yeah, he was nice sending all the stuff back to us, huh?
TigerBox HD.
Yeah. And SuperBaby colors. Okay, let's just send that.
Done.
Like okay, let's get in it. Let's ship you to Ryan. Okay, here we go. Okay, get in there. Put your head down. It won't close. You're too big. You're too big of this box.
No, not. I'm supposed to be small.
Oh, you're supposed to be small? You put your head down. It won't fit.
Yes, look.
Let's see.
It does that.
Oh yeah? Let's see. Okay, here you go. Like that. We'll just tape you like that. How about that? We'll just tape you like that. Oh wow, that is a lot of. I think you're too big for this box, Tiger. Okay, what you say, Tiger?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox HD,
And SuperBaby Colors.
Oh, and SuperBaby Colors. And make sure to play my app game, Supergirl, and don't forget to watch
Biggie. Bye bye.